All right, we're gonna go into the classic monthly section. So here's your monthly section. Pretty standard layout, month overview. You're gonna wanna fill in the dates. So first you start with the month, of course, and then what is your monthly focus? So this is just kind of on a monthly basis. I like to have 12 different focuses throughout the year so that if I'm focusing on business growth one month, maybe I'm focusing on my sense of humor another month, maybe I'm focusing on my kindness towards strangers on another month. It can just really be any number of things, for business related, personal related, whatever. The habit is your daily habit. This can be something like meditation or going for a morning run. But you've got your little H box here to check off when you actually do your habit. So fill in your monthly overview, pretty standard stuff there. The notes section is for on a weekly basis if you have any notes that come up. And then we've also got the plan and review sections here. So the planning section is going to go over what are your month's goals. From a high level, what are 3 big things that you want to make sure you accomplish? Now we've got goals on pretty much every level here. We've got a monthly goals that you're focusing on, weekly goals in the weekly section, and then your daily priorities. And I find that system works really well in conjunction with each other. Choose 3 big goals you want to focus on, then break those goals down in the weekly sections, and then break those down into daily priorities. It's a really good way to get shit done. And speaking of getting shit done, distractions to avoid. So part of productivity is not necessarily just how you get more shit done, but how you prevent yourself from wasting time. So finding distractions that you are currently losing time to or things that are sucking up your attention and focus, figure out what those are and then make a point of avoiding those this month. And try doing that on a monthly basis. And again, it's sort of a baby step approach, but the more that you can do that, the more effective that you'll find yourself becoming. And then at the end of the month, you want to go over what were this month's wins, what went well this month. And again, take the time to really appreciate those things. Don't just kind of fill them in and then forget them. Each time that you fill in one of those things, think about it. Think about where you were a year ago and how pumped that you would be that you accomplished something like this month. And just where you're at, take time to put it into context and really give yourself some credit and some appreciation for getting that done. And then any insights gained. And this is nice just at the end of your planner to be able to page through this section and look at what are the insights gained that you've had each month. And it's just a nice way to kind of solidify your learning and grow as a person. And so finally, one last note here. We've in the classic, we've got it's a 3-month planner, but we do have 6 months of monthly sections, and we do that intentionally. We found from a lot of our customers they don't tend to use their planner every single day, and since it's undated, they're not losing those pages, so they can continue to use their planner, but it might go beyond just 3 months. So we want to have enough pages in here just in case that you're an every other day type of person on average, that this thing will still last you the entire time. You can still get value out of this monthly section, but ultimately it's a quarter planner. And if you're using it every day, it'll last 3 months, but we give you a little bit of extra wiggle room. So try implementing these habits on your monthly basis, and you should see some pretty cool improvements in your life. Talk to you later. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, if you're getting some value out of using your Panda Planner, if you could do me a favor and just share it with a friend, it would mean a lot to me. Not actually give them the planner, but maybe just share the message with them that you're using this product and you're enjoying it. Our goal is to help as many people as possible with our scientifically designed tools and strategies. So the more that we can spread the word, the better. We're a really small company, so trying to compete with the other planner, the big boys in the industry is not always easy. So we really rely on word of mouth and people like you to help us spread the word. So I'd appreciate it, and thanks so much. Talk to you soon.